Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over the Try Beauty box I got for the month of April. This is my first box, so I'm excited to go through it with you. And I figured it's not like a super popular box right now, so I thought it'd be interesting to show you guys to see maybe if you're interested. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. But let's get right into the video. Okay, so starting off, I'm like so sorry if you hear crickets in the background because I just got crickets in for my lizards and they're super annoying. Also, I'm super extra today because I'm going to a Sixers playoff game. So I'm literally all ready. Like, I already know I'm going to be probably the most extra one there, but it's okay. I also got contacts. The ones I have in are only like trial ones I got. So I'll be getting my like actual prescription in soon, but these I figured like, ooh, I might as well keep them in. Okay, so yeah, this is what the box looked like. I kind of just got this box because, I don't know, I was like a little bored and I kind of just got it like randomly. I got this and the new Allure Beauty box, which hasn't come in yet, which is weird, but that's okay. I haven't even got an email about that, so that's kind of frustrating, but that's right. We'll go over with that in another video. So yeah, I did already dig into this. I got this last week, but basically this is how it comes. It comes in a small pink box. Of course, you get your little card, and they do have like some packing peanuts. So I'll go over the card in a minute. I'll just show you basically what is in the box. This video is probably going to be very short. I just spit. It's probably going to be very short because I'm not going to do a try-on just because I'm trying to see what you guys like better. Also, I feel like the shorter the sweeter in this kind of circumstances. Okay, so the first thing we got, I'll just go down the list, is the, excuse me, is the Beauty Blender Just Chill Blender. And this, obviously, it's not in there. I, like, could not wait to use this because, I don't know, I just wanted to try the different texture. But yeah, this is $20. Everyone knows it's just your basic beauty blender. And this, like, I usually use the Morphe one, and this makes a difference. Like, I'm telling you, it sucks that this is $20, but it really makes a difference. I also love the color. I just used it. That's why it's like super fluffy still. But yeah, that was the first thing in the box. I was super excited that that was in here. And it kind of also influenced me to get the box because I don't know who, like, I feel like you always need a different beauty blender. So yeah, the next thing we have is this Bella Pere, I don't know, 12 color pro lip palette. And this is $50. $50 for this. So this is probably the one thing that I won't use, believe it or not, out of this whole thing. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is super cute, and I like how it does have like a display of what all the colors look like. So this is what it looks like. I haven't dug into it yet, but it comes with this super small, like, wow, this looks really cheap. For $50, like, they couldn't put a bigger brush. Like, how are you supposed to use this? It's not even like, oh, it's okay. So yeah, basically this is it. It's a different lip palette. I did swatch a few. They are very pigmented, but my huge issue with this is unless you're shooting a video or doing something on camera, you're not going to want to like walk around like going out with this. So this is only like a one-time use kind of thing. It's the same thing with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette that they came out with like a couple years ago. I really wanted that, but then I realized like if I mix a color together, how am I going to like bring this? I don't want to bring the whole palette. So, I mean, this is really cool. I, like, can't believe that it's $50. I think I had something else from this brand as well, but honestly, I'm probably not going to use that. Okay, so next is the Balm Sexy Mama Anti-Shine Translucent Powder. This is $20, and let's see, it's supposed to be this formulated with a revolutionary tiny oil-absorbing spears to remove dreaded shine, leave you with a matte finish. This is pretty cool. I've only had like little sample shadows from the Balm, so I'm excited to have some products. But yeah, this is super cute. I think this would be super convenient. Here, I'll try to swatch it. So basically that's what it looks like, but it transfers on to nothing. This I think would be so great to just put in your purse. Oh well. And you can just like keep it in there in days where you like are really oily. You just like pat it on. You really don't need much. So yeah, this I'm definitely going to use. I think $20 is pretty, I mean, it's really expensive, but I know the Balm is a little bit pricier. But based on the amount of product in here, and you get a mirror, and the packaging is super nice, I think this is really, really cool. Okay, and then next we have another thing from the Balm. This is the Manizer Sisters, the Luminizers. And this is $28. And these, of course, are their infamous highlighters. Super cute packaging again. I really love this brand's packaging. I think it's so cute. And there's 3 highlighters in it, again with the mirror. You've got your classic Mary Luminizer, which I did have a little one. I think I got rid of it, but they're super creamy. Here's this one. I'll try to swatch it. Super pretty, just like your basic highlighter. We have the Sydney Luminizer. This one is a pink. I'll do another swatch. That's it. Next to Mary Luminizer. And then we have Betty Luminizer, which is your deeper, more bronzy golds. So there's all them. This I really like. I think it's a really good value for 3 highlighters. And the formula is so amazing. And also I think since this is more like a cream highlighter, it will last you a little longer. Here, I'll put some on the tip of my nose. Yeah, I really like these highlighters. I'm definitely going to use it. And then lastly in the box, you have the Rodeo Glamobrow Dark Ash Brown. This is just a brow pencil, which I've been using if I can find it. Okay, so it's this very skinny, also this is $26, very skinny brow pencil, and I was like desperately in the need for this. It's this really thin, it's like a taupey color. You can see it right there, but this is super great. I've been using it a lot, and it has the spoolie, a nice thin spoolie that is super useful. I'm gonna get rid of this box like already. And I don't know, I really like this. I also used this for freckles recently since it's so small. You could just like pack them on. So that's super cool. But yeah, so the overall value, I'll try to add up quickly. 70, that's 90, that's 108. It's about like 135 is going to be your total. And this box is $34.99. And you'd get it every other month. So I think it's super cool. I think it's definitely a little pricey compared to the other stuff, but if the way you're looking at it is, especially with these 3, you know that these are really popular brands, and especially with the beauty blender in here, I think it's a pretty good value because that is $20, and then you like calculate like, you know, all the tax and all that stuff when you buy it, so it's ending up being $30. So yeah, I definitely am excited for this box. I feel like with my new boxes, I'm not really going to get a full impression until I get a few to see like what is going to be in the box. But I'm really excited about all this. Like again, I've used the eyebrow pencil and the beauty blender obviously. And I'm going to try these a little bit more. Like I said, I might like pack this with me and see if I do like it. Which any of these I feel like you can't really go wrong unless you're creating like super flashback. But yeah, so basically that's it. For this box, I would say, I would give it like, out of 5, I would probably give it like a 3.5, because I feel like although some of the stuff I do really like, this one that is the priciest one, I really don't think it's like efficient. I feel like you could have put something a little bit more versatile in here. Everything in the box is a different type of makeup, which is really cool. You're not getting like all eyeshadows and all that stuff, so I think that's really interesting. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. If you're interested in getting the Try Beauty box, I'll put a link below so you can subscribe. But yeah, they were really awesome with the shipping. They were really on top of it. I got it probably within the same week about that I ordered it, which is really cool, and I always love that. It also came last week, so basically in the kind of middle of the month, which that's when I like it because I can really use it. I don't like getting it at the end of the month. But yeah, so that's everything. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on my social media as well. I am Kissinemma_ on Instagram, and then Kissinemma24 on Twitter. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day.